Hi kiddies, in this video we are going to see some facts about cows. Yeah, let's go. Number 1. Cow is a domestic mammal. Number 2. Cows can sleep even while they standing. Number 3. Cows can see almost 360 degrees. Number 4. More than 800 different cattle breeds exist in this world. Number 5. Cows are very social animals and it don't like to be alone. Number 6. Cows have no upper front teeth. Number 7. Baby cow is called calf. Number 8. A cow can urinate up to 30 gallons every day. Number 9. Cows are colorblind to red and green colors. Number 10. Group of cows are called herd, drew, or team. Number 11. Cow milk can be made into different dairy products such as butter, cheese, yogurt, ghee. Number 12. Cows are the most common domesticated animal in the world. Who are like cows? If you like cows, hit the like button to this video and do subscribe for our channel. Thank you kiddies.